Hi, it's Mr. O'Sullivan. Now we're going to look at June 2022, Algebra 1, question number 9. The reason why I'm doing it on this is because I need to use my graphing calculator. So let me share my screen so I can read the question, and then we'll go to the calculator. So if we look at question number 9, it says, which expression is not equivalent to 5 to the 2x to the third? So one thing I want you to realize is that word not equivalent is a key word that we need to really think about, all right? So right here is what we're going to really need to be looking at, this phrasing, not equivalent, okay? So let's look at something real quick. And it's 5 to the 2x to the third. So the key word is not equivalent. So what we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna wanna go to y equals on our calculator, and we're gonna wanna put the choice from the calculator, the expression from the question into our y1. So I'm going to go to y1 and I'm going to type in 5 to the 2x to the third. So 5 to the 2x, and I'm going to raise it to the third. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to y2 and I'm going to type in my first answer choice. And I'm going to type in 5 to the x, all raised to the 6th power. Now what I'm going to do is I want not equivalent. So I want the table of values to look different. So I'm going to do second graph. And if I look, my table of values are the same. So for every x value, so for instance, at 5, I will have this number. At 4, I will have this number. At 3, I will have this number. They are the same. So I could say that 5 to the 2x to the third is equivalent to 5 to the x raised to the 6th power. So it can't be choice number 1. So now I'm going to go back to y equals. I'm going to clear y2. And now I'm going to type in 5 to the 3x squared. So 5 to the 3x. And now I'm going to square it. Now I'm going to do second graph. And again, it is the same table of values for y1 and y2. So it can't be choice number 2. So I go back to y equals. I'm never going to clear y1. I'm only going to clear y2. And now I'm going to type in 5 to the 5th raised to the x power. So 5 to the 5th raised to the x power. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit second graph. And if you notice, your table of values look a little different. So for instance, at x equals 5, I get this number and this number. So since I don't have the same number, they are not equivalent. So the answer for this question is going to be choice number 3, because they are not equivalent. Now that is how you would do question number, I believe it was 9, from the June 2022 Algebra Regents.